Make it count. Huh? Yeah, we're gonna do that at the end of the day. The last 15, like 10 minutes. Oh, I see what he's doing. He's closing off the whole second area. It's kind of warmed up. It's still been sitting in the car.
What?
The shield?
No, hot field.
Oh, the field?
Yeah. Alright, those two doors are closed. These two doors are closed.
Okay.
You two, this is your respawn, this cone.
Gotcha. Oh, so we have to come all the way back and respawn. Okay.
Respawn is at door 3 is the sign that says spawn. Okay.
So the normal respawn area.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
What happens when they kill me? Do they just rush up?
We can go into enemy spawn. All right.
I don't think we should be able to go past like that little.
Just stay out of enemy spawn then. Okay. We'll be fair. We'll stay out of your spawn. Okay.
We can just stay in that room, but not that house.
Right. Like we can camp outside of it, but we won't go in it.
Remember, those two doors closed, these two doors closed. Nobody goes past that wall except for you.
I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah. So the whole.
We do basement or no stairs?
Are we bumping? Are we allowed?
Let's just do no towers, no basement, just to make it easy.
No stairs, no towers, no basement.
Yeah, just make it easy.
I could go anywhere, right? Or I'd stay in the back. Do you want him to be able to come out or?
Ooh, like him going to towers and whatnot?
No, just you, because otherwise, cause normally we'd have it where he has to be in there. He's just basically defending that arena.
Keep him in that room.
You want him to be able to come in your arena and fight you, or do you have to stay in that one?
Let's keep him in that room because he could get a pretty good angle at our spawn point. Just keep on.
Get a pretty good angle on him.
Yeah. So I think we should allow him to run full field
Okay.
as well.
Okay. Yeah, so you can't go in that room, so you go anywhere. Okay.
We just stay out of each other's spawns.
Yep.
Yep. So just.
Maybe we should do that wall with the bee just so he can't hold his angle right.
You want basement?
No, like you see that little half wall with the window with the bee looking thing and pink tape?
Oh yeah.
Maybe he should only be allowed to go to that, no further.
Nah.
He could get an angle like right here.
Yeah. Well, you have unlimited lives.
Yeah, we have unlimited lives.
He has 5 lives for respawn. In 15 minutes, you have to kill him 5 times.
Ooh.
Hey, Bill.
Okay. What the? Let me go get my mag. Hold on. I'm missing something. All right, I am ready.
Awesome. Good.
You want to do this?
All right. Yep. Just remember when you respawn, just get back out here as quick as possible.
He's gonna try and separate us though. We gotta stick together.
Are you sure?
I think so.
Let's stay in eyesight.
Yeah.
Not right
Not
not shoulder to shoulder.
No.
No, okay, eyesight. Exactly. Okay.
But not to where I can't see you or you can't see me. Oh wait, am I recording? No,
It's on.
No, I am.
It's on,
recording.
yeah.
I just turned it off.
Ready?
Silver mag, it looks good in that. Camera's not on. I don't know if you want on or not.
Is the blue thing?
Oh yeah, blue thing's on.
Okay.
I thought the screen would be on.
Nope. What do you want?
He's right. Right.
He's in the corner here. We got him pinned. Ooh. I got him. Here, I'm going to stop right here. I'm going to give him a chance. Yep. I'll watch your right. Whoa! He's in spawn! He's in spawn! Push up, push up! He's in spawn! Push up, push up! Where?
Forward.
He's in spawn, he's in spawn. He's still in spawn. I just had visual on the shadow. Oh, that's Ren. I almost shot Ren. Hit! Dead man! All right, I'm back. He's right here, Nico's right here. I got him trapped, Nico, push up, Nico, push up. Nico. Woo! Nice. Good job. You want to switch? I'll go this way.
Come on there, 2 lives left, 10 minutes. Hold it out. Yeah, 2 lives, 10 minutes.
I see you. Hey, hit! Very nice. That was good. That's Ren. No, Ren got lit up. Thanks, Ren. Woo! Hit! Hit! What the heck? Absolutely.
Oh, Bailey, you didn't even notice that I took like the best shot of you.
Thank you. Where is he? I hear him. Nice, I got one. Ooh, ricochet. I got him.
Alright, you got 1 life left.
Yep. Where's Nico?
8 minutes. Can he do it?
There he is.
He's being cautious. He's starting his lives now.
He only has one left. He should only have one left. You want to still push? Keep doing what we're doing?
Huh?
Keep doing what we're doing?
Do you think he's smart enough to flame?
That's why I think we should still push him.
I'll flank you go this way.
All right, all right. You got him? Is that it?
I think he has his final life.
He has one more? Nathan, you got one more life? Yeah. Okay.
Good shit.
All right. You want to do that one more time? Or you want me to push?
Either way.
I'll go this way. Whoa, hit! Nice shot. Hit! He got me instead. He was shooting for Nico. Oh, hit! Oh. Oh, right in my neck. You're good, dude. You're good, you're good. It was a nice trade. It was so worth it. Woo. All right. I think that's it. That's it, right? That game? Nice. Cool.
I have so many bill rushing, like none of Nico.
Dude, you got full genitals.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, you got me right in my neck. It's all good.
God, only 5 minutes left.
Yeah. Had to do something.
You traded? Yeah, okay.
Yeah, it was either trade or let him win. All right, so let me go get that shield. All right, let's take a little breaky here and see what we can do for the last few minutes here.